भारत हा दहशतीच्या सावलीमध्ये राहणार नाही. सीडीएस अनिल चौहान यांनी शत्रू राष्ट्राला आता थेट इशारा दिलाय. पुण्यातील एका कार्यक्रमामध्ये अनिल चौहान यांनी आता सज्जड दम आपल्या शत्रूंना दिलेला आहे. पाकिस्तानला पुन्हा एकदा त्यांनी इशारा दिलाय.
Operation Sindoor, as you know, is not over as yet. It continues. It's a temporary cessation of hostilities. There's a need to keep our guard up. So this, I think, is important. But as far as the Pakistani side is concerned, I can make a guess, two guesses. That is one, that they were losing things faster at a very, very long distance. And they thought that if this continued for some more time, they're likely to lose more. And hence, they picked up the telephone. Second thing, give the enemy also, your adversary due. He had also attempted a large number of attacks. On 10, starting from 1 o'clock till about 9:30, 10, huge number of attacks. They continued subsequently also. And he would have assumed that some of them are as successful as Indians have been.
लोकशाही मराठी ऐका, पहा, जागरूक रहा.